Hey guys, welcome to another video. I'm going to be making some cookies today. This is the third time I've tried to make cookies, but YouTube sucks. So I'm going to get some sugar. Scoop. And then more scoop. Yeah, that's half a cup. And then scoop again. It's another half, so that's a cup. And then just one last scoop.
I thought we start off with brown sugar.
You don't need to start with anything. It doesn't matter which. So that's 1.5 cup of normal white sugar. And then that there would be, I'm just going to pour the rest of that in there because that's all I got. Not much came out, I don't think. Normally you use the same amount of brown sugar to white sugar, but we don't have that and I can't be bothered getting the other brown sugar. So now I'm gonna whisk. So now that I've got that.
Can I crack an egg?
No. An egg. And then.
It's not your video.
It's not yours either.
Yeah, so you should have been. Yeah, so you should have been it. Or it cracks the yolk.
So I broke the yolk because yours or you?
Me?
Okay, so now we get our little teaspoon and
pop open.
Open the baking powder. So
Next to you.
You can't be.
4 little tablespoons. Alright, this one we just got in. We get oopsies, the teaspoon, the exact same one. Crack a tiny bit of salt first, just 1 little crack. 2 little crack. That's all we need.
2.
Get some vanilla extract. Open that up. Get the teaspoon you had and then go 1, 2. I put 3 last time, so I'll put 4 this time. 3, 4. There we go. So 4 teaspoons of vanilla extract.
Hit me in the head with your elbow.
Alright, so that's done. We get some butter. So I got the spoon that I'm going to use to get the butter out. It's just a little spoon.
Are we gonna make a video on my channel?
No. So there we go. There's mine. Some butter. It's just remember that. What else do I need to put into here? Now we come to the flour. I've got my sieve thing. Just rest it there. Hold that end bit there so it doesn't fall in.
What are you putting in it? Oh,
Putting in some flour.
flour. She says sugar.
This is just plain flour. I reckon that dough's thick enough is when I do this, yeah?
It looks like icing.
It comes up to a peak, but then falls.
It looks like icing.
But that bit
No,
there,
it
that's a
doesn't.
peak.
Yes, it does. It does. It does. Looks like cookie dough. It looks like icing. It looks like icing. Oh, some went up my nose. Look, some went up my nose.
You lie.
On my nose.
Alright, so now
That's really good.
we're going to bring in the chocolate.
All the chocolate. That's probably lots of chocolate land.
We don't have any chocolate bars, so
A big one. Stop.
we're just going to put this in.
Stop.
We have a 12.
Where did you find a...
Alright, I'm going to take you over to the...
Cooking station. Cooking station.
Not the cooking station. It's
To the hot stuff over
no, to the pans.
here.
Welcome to the pans. I'm going to move that one to the side because I'm only using one for now.
Only one. Yes, this is the best part where we get to roll the cookies.
No, we're not rolling the cookies because this one is like the first one, which I found to be better. And I also watched that video and this is what it looks like. So this is a better cookie dough than the thick cookie dough because the thick cookie dough was starting to split and I don't want to. So you might want to move back.
Back. Oh, back. No,
Now move back. More. Back, back, back.
I'm doing it.
Alright, we're going to let that first whoosh go through. We get the cookies.
You get the cookies and you put it in a pot.
I'll tell you how long it takes. See ya. So all the cookies have finished cooking. You get it? Funny jokes. So these ones were the ones we put in straight away, and these ones are the ones that we rested. Before we eat them, we're gonna count how many we made. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 4 there.
14.
And then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20, 21. We made 21 cookies.
You count the bottom one?
Yep. 21 cookies all up, except for the ones that we ate off camera. Alright, so first, we're going to have a try of the ones that we didn't rest before we cooked them.
Oh, yeah.
Yum, you can see all the caramel and chocolate in it. Very delicious. Ready?
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Really good.
So it's very chewy because of the caramel. These cookies are a success. Bye bye.